India is navigating through a challenging phase as the war in West Asia has choked the Strait of Hormuz, the key waterway responsible for 20% of global oil supply. The recent passage of two Indian-flagged LPG tankers carrying over 92,000 tons of cooking gas offers some respite, but uncertainties persist due to the ongoing war. The Indian government has assured that it aims to maintain uninterrupted availability of petroleum products and LPG in the country. In its press release, the government says that 26 states and union territories have issued allocation orders for non-domestic LPG. Over 9,000 PNG connections are reported across 110 geographical areas in the last 24 hours. Priority allocation continues with 100% supply to domestic PNG and CNG transport, while supply to industrial and commercial consumers connected to the grid is being maintained at around 80% of average consumption. There are lesser panic queues identified across several states in the country. Our principal correspondent Disha Yadav has sent us this report from Mumbai.
No more long queues and unusual crowds are being witnessed at petrol pumps across India anymore. In fact, today we saw a better day where people are not rushing towards petrol pumps, especially in states like Gujarat and Hyderabad. The panic rush that we saw a couple of days ago in these states where we saw long queues up to 1 or 2 kilometers, that is not being witnessed anymore. The situation has evolved a lot. Because the oil companies and the government in the past few days have repeatedly assured citizens that there is no shortage of diesel or petrol at all. In fact, the tanker movements were also not disrupted at all. As far as the supply chain also were quite stable. So at the end of the day, it was only a rumor that was spread on social media that due to the ongoing war in West Asia, this issue could come up. So that is why we saw people rushing towards the petrol pump. But today the situation seems to be evolving. There is no panic rush at petrol pumps that we are getting to witness. This is Disha reporting here for WION from Mumbai.